What's up, you guys? We made it to Miami. Oh my God. Okay, let me just show you. Some of my girls are here.
Hey.
Woo! Everyone say hello to YouTube. Okay, so we are waiting for our vehicle. We're all gonna be able to fit in the same vehicle. Hopefully we can play our music and we're gonna have some fun. We have about a, what is it, hour drive to our hotel. So, you know, just get to know each other. Okay, here we go, guys.
Right?
Y'all, Jamie has the hookup. We're filming stuff right now. Here's our ride, y'all.
Whoa!
You guys, isn't this so cute? Definitely getting pictures. We're gonna have to like jump on the bed or something, you guys.
Yes. Yeah.
And we got the room with all of the mirrors. I'm happy about this because there's not a lot of vanity space, and y'all, there's 4 ladies staying in here. And yeah, no counter space. All this makeup, all this hair stuff. Yeah, no, it's not gonna work. So, so that's why I was adamant about getting the room with all of these mirrors. Anyways, okay, y'all, here's the closet. We got dresses hanging up. We got some fancy stuff we gonna go to. Bathroom in here. Walk through, sorry, don't mind me.
You're okay.
Bathroom in here, see? No vanity space, but still cute. Hi! I'm really terrible at walkthroughs, if you guys can't tell. I'm like, just, you know, spinning around. I hope you guys aren't dizzy. There's Izzy.
Hello.
There's Angela.
Hello. Hello.
And there's Janice.
Hi.
We got some palm trees out the window here. Okay, y'all, we about to go get some snacks. Just grabbing some snacks for the room, you know.
We
Where you at?
love Farmasi.
We love Farmasi.
Oh my gosh, Emery would love that.
Try that again. 1, 2, 3. We love Farmasi! Ready? Yep.
All right, let's see if that worked.
Y'all, it is beautiful out here. The sun is coming up. Can't see it. Right there, over there. It's kind of cloudy, but it's still beautiful. It is humid, but I like it. It actually helps the hair. These waves are outrageous. These waves are crazy, y'all. We didn't plan on like swimming, but we're soaked. What? Yep, it's happening. Oh my God. Okay, anyways, more stuff coming up, so stay tuned. We're going on the yacht tonight, so we're about to get some good footage, okay? Okay, the lighting's terrible, and you know, but I just had to show you, this is how tiny this little elevator is.
Enough room for 2 people.
We had to play Tetris getting our luggage up this elevator, literally. So we're about ready to head down to breakfast. Let's see who's down here, okay? Hold on, we gotta wait for the doors to open. Ooh, here's breakfast. Okay, y'all, we just had breakfast, and now we're going to get coffee. Coffee. Okay, so we got our coffee. We are checked in. We are at the Lowe's Hotel right now. This place is beautiful. We have the buses behind us right there. Brandy's over here, and then Carlos and Christina are over here. You guys. Okay, we're going to tour the warehouse now. Yay! got a Corvette. Corvette.
My mom and I were best friends.
We're here at the warehouse. You guys look at, there's packages right there. There's pharmacy packages. That's where all of our stuff comes from. Okay, so we're about to go through and tour. I'm gonna video where I can and I'm gonna show you guys, okay? Oops. We snuck in early because potty break.
Mom bladder.
That's like 2 weeks of set. Now, 2 to 3:30 and the second one from 4 to midnight.
Lighting's a little dark in here, but you guys, who's signing up next? Because look at all these starter kits. $19.99, y'all. You can't go wrong. Here's all the BB creams, CC creams. Y'all, we are here. Look at this warehouse.
We have 2 zones. Strike zone, which means the products that we sell the most are located in this area. If there's something missing on the order cannot be closed. One more time.
Gosh, y'all, can you believe we just walked through there and got to see everything? We got goodie bags. They spoil us. They know how to freaking spoil us. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna be showing you lots of pictures. Stay tuned. Oh my goodness. Now we gotta go back and get ready for the yacht. So right now we are in the office part.
Grandma? Baby?
We are in the office part of the Farmasi Warehouse now. So we've got people at their desks, this cute area. Well, we are getting ready to film a TikTok. TikTok live, tell us.